Actually, I do not think sodium batteries.
This is a sodium ion battery.
Sodium ion.
100. How many amp hour?
This is a 60 amp hour.
60 amp hour.
60
800 crank
800
amps.
crank amps. You can charge it at 150 amps. So, $488.
Motor only is 6,500
With tilt.
with power tilt entry.
What's the basic pack on the Garmin that it would get? RPMs?
RPMs and temperature. I'm trying to think of what's free information.
Speed on it?
No, speed through GPS. So it has nothing to do with the motor. Because of the GPS signal, so it's already built in the Garmin.
Okay.
Volts. Volt and
Battery? No.
battery still, yeah, but it's batteries through the battery.
Right.
So that's not engine information.
That's all you probably need. What about oil temp?
Oil,
Or water temp?
a low, which I'll tell you low oil. But the motor tells you that already. So
What about temp of the motor?
temp should be there. I don't know if I give you actual temp or just a warranty. That's a good question. I mean, temperature would be a free. The only thing it's not going to give you is like diagnostics and stuff that's coded into the ECU that's preparatory information.
Okay.
But everything else, it should be there.
And who actually makes Tohatsu? Is it Honda?
No, Tohatsu is Tohatsu.
Do they make Honda?
So,
Or what?
2.5 through 140 horsepower is Tohatsu built.
Okay.
2.5 through 30, we also build for Mercury.
Yep, I know that.
150 through 250 is Honda.
You build for Honda.
No, Honda builds for us.
Honda builds for you. From 150. So this is basically a Tohatsu.
This is a Tohatsu, 100%. We don't share this with anybody. This is our most.
Can I take the cover off? Can you? So it's fuel injected, or? And of course, 4-stroke.
4-stroke. And it's very user friendly.
Fuel filter down here somewhere?
I'll get to that. It's
Oil?
an oil filter.
Okay.
Oil drain.
Oh, that's nice, right on the side.
Oil fill.
What about water flushing?
Dipstick. Water flushing on this. Sorry. Right there, standard garden hose. You just take
Okay.
this off.
Yep. Very cool. Trim on the outside,
Yep, trim on the outside.
and trim comes with it.
Are you doing tiller or remote?
Remote.
Remote, yeah. So you have to have trim on the remote.
Does that come with the price then? Or does it
No.
depend?
The price I'm going to give you is motor only. Then it all depends on, there's lots of different rigging options.
Alright, I had to repair a spot right here. I got that all repaired and starting to paint the black gel coat with sanding agent. But it's ready for black paint now. So we'll be doing that soon. Alright, mix it up to black gel coat. Using a smooth roller, but this stuff eats up. So I have to move fast because already it's starting to eat up the roller. And on the fall and the what? We're going to keep going with it as long as we can. That's about it. Might be black enough for squeeze the metal flake on. That's going to cover most of it anyway. No, Cooper. He likes to bite your bikes. There he goes. He is a Cooper that he is. Alright, so, you know, you just don't go that far. That's soft. It's all gone now. So, now you've seen the whole bottom. Okay, we'll probably do a light sand, of course. Get some of these black. Mix up a little bit on the bottom of those jars to patch, because I'm probably going to have to sand some. And yeah, it's getting there. The back is black. The whole bottom's black. And now we gotta paint the whole boat black. But we've been working on this. Got a little more Kusa board to put on this side. Got this one on this side. Got this coated. Need to rough that up, and then I'll be painting this bottom white. But yeah, it's gonna be a few more days, I guess. Starting to look like a race boat.